In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the light bulb socket in your dryer. The first thing we're going to do in order to remove the part is I'm just going to turn the dryer around so you can see where we're working, because we've got to do it from the back. So now we're going to remove the back panel. One thing just going to mention at the beginning as we start is the metal they use in appliances today, they pretty well just stamp them out. In other words, just take a big press machine and they form the metal into the shape they want it to be. So some of the edges are pretty sharp and they don't really ground or file them off or sand them down. So either wear a pair of gloves or just be aware when you go to grab some of the stuff that the edges are sharp. So the first thing we'll do is take the screws out from around the back panel. On this one, they're just 1/4 inch screws. I'm just using a nut driver to remove them. Yours may be different. You may have Phillips head screws or Robinson or Torx or 5/16 heads, but whatever you need to use in order to get those screws out, just loosen them off and set them aside. So now we'll just remove the back and set it to one side. So now that we have the back off, you can see where your light bulb socket is on this model. It's right here. Yours may be in a plastic housing or a little different shape of the metal, but basically you'll find it here. And on this one, it's just got a couple of squeeze tabs that we just squeeze, and that allows you to remove the socket. With the socket out of place, we're just going to pull the wires off. We'll take our light bulb out and thread our light bulb, take it out of the way, and now you can see how easy it is to remove the socket from your dryer.